What's going on, people? Welcome back to another video. So ooh, that was a reflection of my bald head, wasn't it? But anyway, guys, so today's video it's gonna be, oh man, got a bit of itchy here. So yeah, anyway, as you can see, we've managed to get everything, sorted. Well, we're still getting there. Because I need to get my EV charger fitted on. So I'm waiting for that, and for my car, actually an EV charger for my car basically. So yeah, that's the one I took off from my old house, which I'm gonna be getting it fitted up on here. So this one's gonna be a bit of a difference. It's gonna be at the rear of our house. So yeah, so it's a bit of a work. So I tried to share with you guys the way I'm gonna be getting it done. So it might help anyone trying to get EV charger up, at the rear of the property when you have your actual meters and stuff at the front, vice versa, whatever. So yeah, anyway guys, so let me show you something. I've got this delivered today. Quite chuffed about it, yeah. That is, let me do this. Let me turn the camera around a bit. This is what I got. It's actually, your house, you want to keep everything in a bit of a like tidy sort of thing, like in a corner or something. This is actually a very good mop, which I've got. I haven't used it yet, but you've got these two bits. So one's like, when you dry your mop, the water falls in there, the dirty water, vice versa, whatever, clean water. So yeah, it's actually just about 13 centimeters. It's got like a really good suction thing at the bottom. I'm sure we've all done, trying to pour water sometime, from the table, and then water's dropped all the way. I mean, all over the place. It creates a heavy mess, doesn't it? So yeah, so as you can see, it's very, very convenient, space saving. As you can see, you could even use just about that little sort of wall that's a bit out, and you can still open the door in a pretty decent way. Excuse the box though, by the way. But yeah, let me show you. If I was to put this, let's say, in the toilet, right? So you got this much space. Let's use this one, yeah, this part, because that's a bit more smaller. As you can see, you've got still enough space, to use the toilet. Do you know what I mean? That's a very, very good space saving. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Actually, you can put it anywhere. Let's find a bit more of a small space. Let's say maybe just around there. I think that's a bit too much, but still does the job. Just by there. That's the old one we had, which is, it's got to go now. But it's actually not bad. It's a really good space saver and bucket. Let's put it together, yeah, and yeah, let's see how it goes. Very small though. I haven't got a phone holder, so I've got to use my whatever I can, right? So as you can see, I don't know if you can see it. Let me get the light a bit from here. Right, okay, so that's the suction cups you got. You've got your actual mop here. Alright. Bear with me. Right guys, so what comes in the box? You've got your pole. That is the actual mop. Oh, I believe. Oh, it feels pretty solid. I'm not gonna lie, yeah? What you gotta do? And you've got two sides as well. I don't know why you've got two sides. Maybe you could do something on here. And then you've got something on there. Okay. It doesn't do say the thing, so they just extra babalana. So the keys. And then that's pretty much it really, isn't it, to it. And you get, oh yeah, two extra of these. So let's get one on. And let's set up the mop here. That one looks a bit longer though. I think that one looks longer, that one looks shorter. That's a bit silly. Extra lamba, extra batti dundilo. I don't know why that one is longer. How you gonna get this one? That one is perfect. Right. Then, what the hell am I supposed to do with that? Can't get that on there. That's strange. Can I go number? Incorrect item. Incorrect. Definitely they gave us the wrong part. What a shame. Because the actual product looks pretty decent. Alright, to get it on, let's just put it in there. And then just gonna snip that off a bit. And then it's not complicated how it looks. Just have to just give it a little play and then should be all good to go. That's it. Job done. This microphone. I don't know why they gave no part. So there we go. One clean. Okay. Go that way. This way is another bit. This way. And this is the one with the clean. So, lihat by the hand, by the orange as the same, as by the orange, as by the bristle. That's the bit useful for clean, and this is squeeze out and then dry. Not bad. So yeah, apart from that, give us the wrong part. That's the only issue. So we just want to get in touch and get them to send us the part we can use for the mop. So far we can use it. But yeah guys, that's how it goes anyway. Right guys, so as you can see I'm actually in a parking lot. No, service station, isn't it? Because obviously that's the problem, isn't it? When you have an EV car, when you don't have an EV charger at home. Then I have to come to stations like this and charge your car. But I'm doing that, so a bit of a pain, but it is what it is, isn't it? I've got to charge it. So obviously, for now, well, you know, I'm going to be using that for the next maybe a week or so whenever I need to charge, because obviously I ain't got a charger at home at the moment to get that installed. I'm not going to use this extension lead because it's dangerous. People said not to use it. I'm not recommended at all, so I'm not going to use it basically. I don't use extension leads, so yeah. I looked at another YouTube video, people saying it's dangerous, it's hazards, you know, it can catch fire and stuff, so which is that's the last thing you want, isn't it? But anyway, so just chilling. Really, just watching the charger. So far, what we're going up to, let me see. Oh yeah. This is the information grid serve, so the pre-authorized £10 when you charge it. So yeah, at the moment, I think I'm plugging that app. It kind of goes up, by the way. It's a bit. It's like it starts from something 50, 60, 80 or something or so. So BP they give up to 300 watts in it, which is pretty good, but you don't really get that exact 300. I've never seen on my car. I only saw like 120, 130 or so in it. But yeah, so this is with that speed, it's showing 44 minutes until, well, 45. Oh, that's strange. Now it's saying 45 minutes until full charge, which is not bad. You know what I mean? It's not bad. You know, it goes to a service station in half an hour or so. Just goes like that if you're eating or something, or obviously want to eat. So yeah, guys, let's see what we can do today. Guys, so today's lunch is going to be with king prawn. Hope it's in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nani? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 piece about 6 piece, £18. There's 1, 2, 6 pieces. Alright, let's see how it goes. And some beef. Right, guys, lunch is ready. Some beef, some potato. That's king prawn. King prawn burner, home style. Always the best. Alright, let's get some. So I've got some salad here. Spinach, beetroot, And what else? Some sort of green knitted tea kind of thing. But yeah, let's try it. So we've got one here. Steaming. طبعا أقول مزة لقى ولا أنا. أقول ما صدق. Right, so I've got some lemon. Squeeze some lemon there. Got some king prawn, rice, bismillah. Taste the naga, fresh naga, dish naga as well. If you know about dish naga, you know exactly what I'm tasting right now. Another bite with some salad. Right guys, I'm nearly finishing off here. It's hot, man. Always best. Homemade king prawn, always. Look how big is that? Massive, isn't it? Restaurants is alright, but it's all the same thing, man. That is actually really nice. At least in home, you can have it however you want. You know, the way it's been cooked. You know, it's proper clean. Right, guys. It's pretty spicy, isn't it? Finish up. Right, guys. So this is gonna be the end of today's video. Just gonna have a bit of dessert actually. You know, haven't had a dessert for a while, and it's like, why not? Do you know what I mean? Today was a bit of a relaxing one. Just got these shelves up here, in here, and then I've got another shelf right up there. So yeah, we'll get in there slowly. Put up our curtain right there. So yeah, let's wait for the dessert. Let's see what it is, and then after that, see you guys in our next video. Right guys, just got our dessert. Gonna enjoy it. So this is meant to be a pistachio kunafa. It's alright. Strawberries a bit mixed up in there, mashed up. Don't know what the delivery guy did. Hopefully didn't have it, but just a bit of chocolate here and there. It's alright, not all that. That's quite nice, it's warm. So guys, see you guys in my next one. And tomorrow, hopefully let's see how it goes. Sunday tomorrow. So I'll see you guys in my next video. See you later.